the one thing that I will take away from this as a social media consultant is just how quickly and how pervasive social media has been taken up in Mexico. It's absolutely, the coverage is just incredible. And they're all on social media, they're all on mobile, so that is a huge market to engage with. We attended a networking workshop. For me, that was very useful as from a social media perspective. I got to meet some people who were very keen on working with me in the future, you know, falling over themselves to work with Welsh companies. Could you envisage a time in the future when you'd be working with mobile phone providers in the UK, for example, and Wales?
One of the objectives of this trade mission is getting in contact with network providers over there, to see if we can become part of their testing chain, so they can be sure that the applications that they're loading up on their app stores, they run properly in the devices that they manage on their selling cycle.
There's a huge market in Mexico for social media, for the creative industries, and Mexico is, in the truest sense, a land of opportunity. I'm going to be doing everything in my power to be working closely with the people that I've met and on the projects that we've suggested to each other.